Welcome to Yoga Coaching. In this video, I am going to explain various tools used by the Agile teams in the product development lifecycle. Various activities are performed by the Agile teams in the product or software development phases. I will cover the popular tools used in each of these phases in this video. The phases or the activities covered in these videos are requirement management, source code management, code or application development interfaces, document or artifacts management, unit testing and regression testing, continuous integration and build management, application or product deployment, team collaboration, and project management and reporting. You can consider the tools highlighted in this video based on the cost, technology feasibility, and number of users in your organization. The first activity done by the Agile team is requirement management. In the requirement management phase, epic features and user stories will be created and managed by the product owner. Few popular tools used by the Agile teams for requirement management are Rally, Jira, HPALM, TFS, Team Foundation Server from Microsoft, version 1, and Microsoft Excel. The second important activity done by Agile team is source code management, that is also called configuration management. Source code management enables the development team to maintain the code versions and track the modification in it. Few popular tools used by Agile teams are GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket, Subversion, Microsoft Visual Source Safe (VSS), and CVS. Source code development is another important activity done by the Agile teams. Different tools will be used in this phase to create the application, debug the issues, maintain or support the products. These tools are called as Integrated Development Environment (IDEs). Few popular source code development tools used by the Agile teams are Eclipse, Microsoft Visual Studio, Oracle JDeveloper, JetBeans IntelliJ IDEA, PHP Storm, NetBeans, AWS Cloud9, and RubyMine. Documents and artifact management is another activity done by the Agile teams. Few popular tools used by the team to manage the documents are Confluence, SharePoint, Wiki, JFrog, and Docker Hub. The next activity done by the Agile teams during the development phase are unit and regression testing. Few popular tools used in the industry for unit and regression testings are JUnit, NUnit, QUnit, TestNG, SOAP-UI, Selenium, and Appium. Continuous integration and build is another key activity performed by the Agile teams. Continuous integration will help the team to maintain a single source repository, resolve the code quality issues, and address the compilation errors quickly. Few popular tools used in the industry for continuous integration and builds are Jenkins, TeamCity, Bamboo, Maven, Docker, and MS Build. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification about future videos. Code or application deployment is another activity performed by the Agile teams. This will enable the Agile teams to deliver the product quickly to the customers. Few popular tools used for deployment activities are Jenkins, Capistrano, Fabric, AWS Code Deploy, TeamCity, and Bamboo. Team collaboration is very important thing for co-located and remote agile teams. Good collaboration is critical need to deliver the product on time. Many tools are available in the market to enable the collaboration within the agile teams. A few popular tools used by the agile teams are Lync, Skype, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zoom, and WebEx. Overall project governance and reporting the status is another important activity done by the agile teams. Few popular tools used in the industry for this purpose is version 1 Team Foundation Server, that's also called TFS, Trello, Jira, Kanban 1, LeanKit, SharePoint, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Thank you.